Mo Gawdat, the former chief business officer at Google X and the author of Scary Smart. This guy doesn't just think AI is advancing. He believes it's about to outsmart us by a factor of, a billion. If that doesn't make you reconsider being rude to your smart fridge, I don't know what will.
ChatGPT 4.5 was an IQ of 155. Elon Musk is 155. Einstein is 160. You now have a tool that has a memory capacity that exceeds all of humanity's history.
So Mo just casually mentions that ChatGPT 4.5 has an IQ of 155, right up there with Elon Musk and Einstein. Meanwhile, I'm over here asking Alexa to set a timer for my instant noodles. And get this, the AI's memory exceeds all of human history. Fantastic. Now, even robots can hold a grudge longer than my ex.
Linguistic intelligence is not the only form of intelligence, but we are working in 2024. You will see solutions to deep reasoning. You will see solution to complex mathematics. You saw Gemini from Google and the idea of multi-input and multi-output.
Now, let's unpack this whole AI reaching Einstein-level IQ thing. Back in the day, Alan Turing posed the question, can machines think? Fast forward, and we're not just talking thinking machines. We're talking super intelligent entities. Remember when DeepMind's AlphaGo beat the world champion in Go? That was a wake-up call. But here's the kicker. IQ tests measure a very narrow slice of intelligence, mainly logical and analytical skills. So when we say an AI has an IQ of 155, it's like saying a calculator is better at math than us. No kidding. But intelligence is multifaceted. Emotional, creative, social intelligence all play a part. So, while AI might ace the SATs, can it appreciate a sunset or laugh at a terrible pun? Well, not yet anyway. Mo's talking about AI tackling deep reasoning and complex math by 2024. So basically, machines will handle all the stuff we pretended to understand in school. Google's Gemini is coming in hot with multi-input and multi-output. Fancy terms for an AI that can juggle more tasks than a caffeinated octopus. Maybe it'll finally decode my doctor's handwriting.
And the thing is, even if we don't have any new breakthroughs, if we just throw more compute and more data on the machines, we will continue to grow exponentially for the next 4 or 5 years. ChatGPT 3.5 to 4.5 was a 10x improvement in performance, another 10x, and you're talking an IQ of 1,500. That's like a 2-year-old, us humans, talking to Einstein. I can guarantee you a 2-year-old would have no idea what Einstein's talking about.
He mentions that even without new breakthroughs, just throwing more data and compute power at AI will make it exponentially smarter. ChatGPT went from version 3.5 to 4.5 with a 10x improvement. Do that again, and we're looking at an IQ of 1,500. At that point, talking to AI would be like a toddler debating astrophysics with Stephen Hawking. Spoiler alert, the toddler doesn't stand a chance.
Let me pick up on this notion of the intelligence of computers. In your book, Scary Smart, you say by 2029, machine intelligence will break out of specific tasks and into general intelligence. So there will be machines that are smarter than humans. And by 2049, AI is predicted to be a billion times smarter than the smartest human. Does the concept of singularity scare you?
The interviewer asks if the concept of singularity scares Mo. Honestly, if someone told me a machine would be a billion times smarter than the smartest human, I'd start practicing my, I for one, welcome our new robot overlord speech. But Mo seems unfazed, which either means he's got a secret bunker or he's already on good terms with Siri.
Yeah, so first of all, I revised those numbers, believe it or not, last year, and I publicly say that AGI is no later than 2027. I think we're accelerating and we're misunderstanding the concept of how we will arrive at AGI. There is a lot of hype around one company, creating AGI. I don't think that's what's going to happen. I think what's happening is that because we're allowing agents to prompt AI, those agents are literally connecting the multiple systems in a loosely coupled way so that you can see one of those agents will become the AGI, which will be able to prompt all of the different special AIs and be able to provide intelligence that way. And I believe that the billion times smarter might come a lot quicker. My current prediction is 2037.
Mo revises his prediction for AGI to no later than 2027. That's like what? Tomorrow in tech years? He believes AGI AGI won't come from a single company, but from a network of AI agents linking up like some sort of digital Voltron. Whether it's 2027 or 2037, once AI is 10 times smarter than us, it's game over for who gets the last slice of intelligence pie.
And the question is, does it even matter if it's 2037, 2045, 2055? All you really need is 10 times smarter. 10 times smarter is the end of the game, is the point of singularity. Now, does the singularity worry me? Not at all, actually. As a matter of fact, I can't wait for the day when AI takes over. I think what worries me is the transition between this moment in time where AI is becoming a superpower and the moment in time where we take humans out of the equation. And I'll say that don't be alarmed.
Did Mo just say he can't wait for AI to take over? He points out that the real issue isn't AI itself, but how we handle the awkward transition phase where AI becomes a superpower. And let's be honest, humans haven't exactly nailed the whole power without corruption thing. We'll probably use advanced AI to sell more junk we don't need and automate spam calls.
The problem is when you have a superpower, you use it, okay? And what will AI be used for in the next 10 years? Mostly, it will be used to serve capitalism. So there will be more and more and more struggle with our human value set. Imagine if I give you a plug in the wall and I tell you I can now double your IQ, triple your IQ, right? Just plug into it and you'll get more intelligence. My lifetime dream is to plug into that plug. If I get 4x my intelligence, that's my assessment. If I get 4x my intelligence, I could probably use nanophysics to create a garden where you walk to one tree and pick an apple and walk to another tree and pick an iPhone.
Mo dreams about plugging into a wall socket to quadruple his IQ. Sounds like The Matrix meets IKEA assembly instructions. He envisions a world where we manipulate molecules so you can pick an apple from one tree and an iPhone from another. So forget the Apple Store. We're talking actual apple trees that grow smartphones. I'm in as long as there's a firmware update branch.
Right? The cost of molecularly rearranging molecules basically differently is not different between an iPhone and an Apple. That's a world of abundance that would solve all of human problems. Can you imagine that? And yet, what are we going to use AI for? We're going to use it to, they normally call it spying, gambling, selling, and killing. These are the 4 top uses of AI.
He lists the 4 main uses of AI: spying, gambling, selling, and killing. Cheerful stuff. Basically, we're about to hand over unprecedented power to machines so we can get targeted ads and wage wars more efficiently. If that doesn't make you question humanity's priorities, I don't know what will.
Right? Surveillance and spying systems, we call it gambling, but, call it trading, but it really is machines taking over, algorithmically making money without adding any value. Selling is, we call it advertising, and so on. So the idea is that if AI is used to maximize the current value set of humanity, I think we're going to be in trouble. And so is the singularity a problem? No. Is AI a challenge at all? I will tell you absolutely, hands down, there's absolutely nothing wrong with AI. There is a lot wrong with the human value set in the age of the rise of AI.
Mo wraps it up by saying, there's nothing wrong with AI. It's our human values that are messed up. Ouch. It's like blaming the mirror for your bad hair day. Maybe instead of worrying about robots taking over, we should focus on not screwing things up before they get the chance.